Hi everybody, this is Pat in the paper closet. I just came on today. I just wanted to show you. This video is to correct an error I made in my last video when we were making the Christmas mini planner. The Christmas mini planner. The previous video I uploaded, and during editing I made a mistake and I somehow lost the section on actually making the pad that goes into the mini planner. This section shows you how to do the glue on the spine of the pad, which you have to do in order for your pages to stay in the book. So I've clipped it out and I have it. It's about 4 minutes long, and I'll play it for you now so you'll know how to make the pad. I'm so very sorry. It was an error I made on editing. I'm not a pro. I'm just learning all this stuff now, so please forgive me. Okay, take a look. Thank you. Bye. I'm going to take my pages. Now I'm going to put them in the right order. These will be last. Which one was the top? Really doesn't matter. No. These will be next. I'm going to place them all together. Come these. And then our weeklies. Which has the front and the back has just lines on it. So you pile them all up like that. Now you're going to do a lot of tapping. You really want to make sure this edge is really even so that we can get glue on all the edges of the pages. So just tap, making sure you get it all down and even. Now hold it tightly. Now I have these two clips. You can use, what are they called, bullnose clips. You need small ones though. These I find work pretty well. These are actually sewing clips. I got them on Amazon, but they hold this very well. Now you want to clip this, goes nice and flat. One on each end. Like that. Now you see I have a nice flat edge here. Actually, I'm going to move this over a little bit. My glue can be spread evenly. Put the clip back on here. Close as you can get to the top. Making sure this edge is flat. Now you see what we have here? This is where we're going to put the glue, all along here. Now I use, this is just Elmer's glue. I've used this for years, and it's worked just fine. We're just going to take our glue, get it started, and just start tapping it along the top, along that edge, holding it with your hand so they stay together. Doing this on video is not so easy. Putting a nice bit amount of glue here. You don't want it running over the sides, but you do want it to cover your spine. Don't ask me why I'm so shaky on camera. If the camera wasn't on, I could do fine. Okay, I'm just putting glue where I see there are spaces. See that? Now I'm going to wait about 30 seconds. And let the glue dry just a little bit so it's not so liquidy. While I'm doing that, I don't know what else I can show you. Hope everyone's doing well. Waiting for glue to dry so we can spread it out on the edge. Okay, I'm going to give this a little bit more. If I start spreading while it's totally wet, then it tends to go all over the sides. So I do give it that little bit of time. But we're on camera right now, so I'm going to speed it up. I would suggest you wait a little bit, say another minute. But I'm going to carefully spread it. I'm just going to take my finger and start spreading it along, tapping and spreading. Because what you want is you want glue on the edge of every page. If you just left it the way it was, you probably had missed a few pages. So this forces the glue into the pages. Not into them, but onto the edges of all of them. You don't want too much going over the side. We'll do a little bit on the side when we're finished here. Right now we're working on the spine. Now you see how that looks nice and smooth. Looks like all the pages have glue on them. I'm just going to wipe off my finger. Now I want to run a little bit over the edge of that first and last page so that page holds on. I'm just spreading a little bit of glue over onto the edge of that side and the front side. And I see there are no spaces in between. I don't see any air pockets. You want it totally covered. And my glue is now starting to dry, so that's good. I'll run a little bit more across the front. And that should do it.